7,000 kilometers of plantations, millions of hands, one single bite.
What happens between the tree and the packet is pure transformation.
I'm Emily. Welcome to the factory where your favorite snack is born. Stay with me, I'll show you how it's really made.
Each bunch, 40 to 50 bananas. Each one, hand-selected for the perfect balance of starch and sweetness. Only the best become chips. Only the finest make the cut. Bruised or blemished, rejected. Only perfect bananas will make the journey to the factory, where they'll be transformed into golden, crispy chips.
This one, no.
Ready for pickup, Thomas? My name is Emily. I've been driving to the factory to our facility where we do the real magic happens from raw fruit to crispy chips. Come, I'll show you.
For Emily, this isn't just a job. It's a connection between the farmers who grow, the factory that transforms, and the families who will enjoy the chips. The journey has begun. 25 kilometers to go. From plantation to pavement, from farm to factory. Emily's truck carries more than bananas. It carries the promise of something golden, crispy, and delicious. The long road from plantation to pavement ends here. Southern Foods, one of the largest banana chip producers in the region. Every day, dozens of trucks like Emily's arrive, loaded with the freshest bananas.
Morning, Emily. Right on time.
Hi, Robert. Here's the paperwork.
Looks good.
Emily never misses her slot.
This is the heart of the opera receiving. Every banana that enters here will be weighed, inspected, and logged before it moves an inch closer to becoming chips. Bay 3, exactly on schedule. David's hands guide Emily with precision honed over years. When the door rises, the journey from field to factory reaches its first milestone. Emily's job is done. Now, Sarah takes over. Every bunch will be inspected, every banana judged.
Only the perfect ones will proceed.
Water cushions the fall, washes away field dust, and begins the cleaning process. Every banana gets a bath. Gentle, thorough, essential. Gentle brushes, clean water, the bananas are now washed and ready. Not yet peeled, not yet sliced, but clean enough to meet the factory's exacting standards. Jessica has been here for 3 years. She can spot a blemish from 3 feet away. Only perfect bananas make it past her station, because perfect bananas make perfect chips. Seconds only, from whole fruit to peeled perfection. The peels fall away, destined for farms and cattle. The fruit continues, clean, naked, ready to become chips. The journey is far from over. 120 bananas per minute. Perfectly aligned, perfectly peeled. Ahead, the slicer waits. Precision blades that will transform whole fruit into uniform chips. 3 millimeters, the perfect thickness. Thin enough to fry crisp, thick enough to hold their shape. In milliseconds, whole bananas become dozens of perfect rounds. Vibration separates, aligns, and presents the slices for their next test. Only perfect rounds continue. Fragments? They'll find another purpose. Nothing here is wasted. Eyes of silicon and light, every slice inspected, measured, judged. Imperfections are ejected in milliseconds. Only the perfect proceed to the next stage.
Good.
The moment of transformation. Cool, raw slices meet hot oil. 180 degrees Celsius, pure coconut oil, exactly the right temperature. What goes in soft and white will emerge golden, crispy, and delicious. The magic is about to happen. 180 degrees Celsius, the perfect temperature. Coconut oil, pure and clean. The slices dance through the heat, transforming moment by moment. What goes in white comes out gold.
180 degrees moon, stay body.
Perfect. Golden brown crisp frying exactly as it should. The chips emerging now are ready for the next stage, ready to become the final product. Hot chips shed their excess oil, kissed by air knives that remove just enough, not too much, not too little. The perfect oil content is a science, and this factory has mastered it. The final touch, seasoning. A precise mist of salt and spice tumbled gently until every chip wears its flavor evenly. Not too much, not too little. Perfectly balanced.
Perfect.
Cooled, seasoned, perfected. The chips are now exactly what they should be. Crispy, golden, delicious.
The chips flow like a golden river, steady, constant, endless. The surge hopper buffers the rhythm between frying and packaging, ensuring the line never starves and never floods. 10 heads, 10 buckets, millions of calculations per minute. The multi-head weigher finds the perfect combination every time. Exactly 50 grams, not 49, not 51. Precision at speed. Flat film becomes a pouch in seconds. Filled, sealed, and cut. 60 pouches per minute. Each one identical, each one perfect, each one ready for the next step. Every pouch weighed, every gram accounted for. Too light? Rejected. Too heavy? Rejected. Only perfect weight earns a place in the carton. And then, the metal detector ensures no foreign objects hide within. Metal detectors scan every pouch, every chip, every crumb. Zero tolerance for contamination. Only perfectly clean pouches proceed to packaging.
All clean.
12 pouches per carton, 24 cartons per minute. The robot never tires, never miscalculates, never misses. From bulk chips to boxed product, the transformation is complete. 47,000 cartons and counting, each one holding 12 pouches of golden banana chips. Ahead, they'll be sealed, cased, and stacked, all without a single human hand. Cartons become cases, 24 cartons per case, 288 pouches, over 14 kilograms of banana chips. Cases are the currency of logistics, the unit that trucks understand. Cases sealed, scanned, and sorted, each one now a data point in the factory's digital brain. The robot knows where each case belongs before it even arrives.
2 robots, 6 cases per layer, 8 layers per pallet, 48 cases, over 13,000 pouches of banana chips. In an hour, these robots will build 40 pallets. In a day, they'll build what would take a human crew a week. This is automation at its finest.
48 cases, over 13,000 pouches, nearly 700 kilograms of banana chips. All on one pallet, all perfectly aligned, all ready for its protective cocoon. Wrapped, bound, protected. Stretch film hugs each case, securing them for the journey ahead, whether across town or across the country. The pallet is now a single, stable unit. Identity in ink and adhesive. Batch BC247 now has its passport. Barcodes for scanners, dates for inventory, instructions for handlers. From this moment, it can be tracked anywhere in the world. The warehouse breathes. Thousands of pallets, millions of pouches, all waiting for orders, for trucks, for stores, for customers. Each one tracked, every location known. Nothing is lost here. Row D, Level 4, Position 12. In a warehouse of 10,000 pallets, one now has a home. The inventory system knows exactly where it is, exactly how long it's been there, exactly when it needs to move. Are coming in from Mumbai's now, but not for long. Soon the pallet will move again, toward the loading bays, toward trucks, toward the millions of snack lovers waiting for that first crispy bite. Beyond the noise of production, behind sealed doors, another world exists. Not of speed, but of proof. This is where science validates what industry creates. Every hour, every line, every shift, random samples pulled from production. Not the best, not the worst, but a true representation. Science demands honesty. Weight, color, size, every parameter visible to the naked eye is checked first. One slightly darker chip in 50, noted, analyzed, understood. Consistency is king. Moisture content 1.87%. Low enough for long shelf life, high enough for pleasant texture. And that's tested too. Free fatty acids below 0.15%. The oil is still fresh, still perfect. The oil that Friday gets is as pure as when it entered the fryer. No degradation, no off flavors, no harmful compounds. The chips are not just crispy, they're clean.
Perfect. Ready for micro.
Microbiology takes time. 48 hours in the incubator will tell us what we need to know. Is there anything living in these chips that shouldn't be? The answer will come, but patience is required.
Examining the incubated sample. No growth, completely sterile. Control confirms it. The media is untouched. Clean, sterile, safe. No bacteria, no mold, no pathogens.
All passed? Certified, approved, released. 24 pallets, 4 destinations. The system knows where each one lives and where each one must go. Each order picked, each pallet destined for hungry customers. Staging area, where orders assemble before loading. 12 pallets for domestic distribution, 6 for Dubai, 4 for Mumbai. Each pallet in its lane, each lane waiting for its truck. The warehouse hums with purpose.
12 pallets, 576 cases, nearly 14,000 pouches of banana chips, all for domestic distribution.
Pallet secure, exiting.
Secured, stabilized, ready for the highway.
And so it leaves. Batch BC247, destined for kitchens, snack bowls, and happy moments across India and beyond. The journey that began in banana plantations now ends where it matters most, with you.
Another one gone?
Domestic, Dubai, Mumbai, all on their way.
My name is Emily. I drive the bananas in. And this is how modern factories produce banana chips, from start to finish, from our hands to your home.